The new Netflix series Ray is based on the short stories of Satyajit Ray, who is one of the most celebrated filmmakers of all the time. After watching this anthology series, I myself become a huge fan of Satyajit Ray. This series consists of 4 stories, starring some extremely talented actors from the industry. The first story, titled Forget Me Not, is directed by Srijit Mukherjee. This story gives the series an impactful start. Ipsit has a brain of computer. He never forgets anything. He is a man who is known for his brain, is smart, intelligent, and a successful businessman. But a sudden encounter with a stranger in a restaurant changes his life completely. Ipsit, who has a memory like a computer, starts forgetting everything. So, this story is all about how and what happened to Ipsit and shows the downfall of his life. This story is pretty engaging from its beginning. Ali Fazal nailed at his acting as Ipsit. The transition from a successful, confident businessman to an anxious man who is losing his brain is very well portrayed by him. The second story, titled Behrupia, was again directed by Srijit Mukherjee. KK Menon played the lead character as Indrasis. He is a makeup artist in Kolkata. When nothing going well in Indrasis' life, he lost his grandmother with whom he was most attached to. He always finds himself to be treated as loser in the society. But his life takes a fortunate turn when he receives a gift of rupees 75 lakh from his late grandmother and a book named Behrupia. Then he realized, with the help of prosthetics and makeup, he can change his fate and play God. In the process of taking revenge from the people he hated, he only leads to a path of self-destruction. The third story, titled Hangama Hai Kyun Barpa, was directed by Abhishek Chobe, starring Manoj Bajpayee and Gajraj Rao in the lead. This story focuses on Musafir Ali, played by Manoj Bajpayee, who is a ghazal singer. He is traveling in a train with his co-passenger Aslam Bag, who is a former wrestler turned to sports journalist played by Gajraj Rao. While having conversation with Aslam, Musafir realized he had met Aslam before and recalls the exact encounter with him 10 years ago, where he steals Khushwakt from Aslam. Well, what is Khushwakt you will find out after watching. Manoj Bajpayee and Gajraj Rao did a splendid job in their roles. They had a great chemistry. When two legendary actors meet on screen, what else can we expect? Out of the 4, this story stands out for me. Also, my favorite scene is when Aslam asks Musafir, "Karte kya ho?" to which he replied, "Kosis." And the last story, Spotlight, directed by Vasan Bala, starring Harshvardhan Kapoor and Radhika Madan in the lead role. This story revolves around an actor Vic, who is known for his look, just his one look, and fans will go crazy over him. On a location shoot, Vic comes to know about a god woman called Didi, played by Radhika Madan. His insecurities increases as he realizes the spotlight was completely on Didi. He loses his calm when his own girlfriend worshipped her and dumped him just because he compared himself to Didi. And that scene after getting dumped when Vic said "don't come back when I am at the Oscars" was so funny. This show teaches us there is always some room for improvisation. Harshvardhan Kapoor as Vic proved himself to be a brilliant actor. So, out of the 4 stories, for me the most favorite one is Manoj Bajpayee's Hangama Hai Kyun Barpa, and the least being Ali Fazal's Forget Me Not, when Behrupia and Spotlight stands at number 2 and 3 respectively. So that's the video guys, hope you like it, thank you.